This is the Olympiad problem. We will solve this problem and find out the value of x. Then we may write x power x equals 644. It may write x 6 equal 144 equal 1. And we will apply power 6 on the both side. X power x 6 and 104 power 6. And we will try according to the solution. We will multiply on the both side. That a power m power n equal a power n whole power n. This is the formula of indices. According to this formula, we'll write these terms x power x and x power x according to this formula. And we can write in the inside 12 square whole power x, because 12 if we multiply 12 and 12 it makes 144, and we may write 12 square. Then we may write the next line x power 6 whole power x power 6 equal we may multiply 2 and 6, because we know that power and power it may multiply. Then we may write 12 power 12. And at the same way, this is power and the base the same. So we may x power 6 and 12 and one terms may write, because the base and power the same things. So we will apply 6 root, that means x power 6 root and 12 6 root. We will turn this, and we will write that 6 root and power 6, it may cancel. That is the x equal to write 6 root 12, and this is the result or value of x.